Hello and welcome to this video. I just wanted to do a quick update on cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin in particular, because I have had some people asking for a bit more information about cryptocurrencies. They don't really know the best time to invest or what the best type of cryptos are. This video is a very short one. I'm not going into full in-depth information, but in one of my videos I was talking about cryptocurrencies in January, which was earlier in the year. It was a situation where there was a bit of volatility at that time, where cryptocurrencies did take a bit of a hit and did crash down quite substantially, and there was a bit of panic in the market, and I think a few people started to sell off. But for those of us who've had a bit more experience with the crypto side of things, with Bitcoin, we know that volatility is natural and panic does set in, but it does stabilize after a time, and it continues to rise again. If we just look back here at the start of March, for instance, we can see that it was on 34,000 pounds there, and this is pounds rather than dollars. And if I change that to dollars, it might be a bit more easy for some people, because we tend to deal with Bitcoin in dollars rather than pounds sterling. So let's change that to US. Okay, that will give us some perspective. Okay, so if we look back at the start of March, 3rd of March to be exact, at that point, even going back beyond there, let's start at the 2nd of March. Okay, it was in 48, and then it dipped down a bit. So it was 48,500, and then it dipped down a bit. Okay, then it rose from there. Okay, and then we had 54,000. Okay. And you can see it's up and down, but you have these dips, as you can see. It starts off, then dips, people start to panic, and then it rises, then it dips, and there on the 26th of March it was 55, but look how much it's risen now. See, look, it's 58. So this is what I'm trying to explain. We're going a bit to cryptos, the Bitcoin side of things. Prices do dip and people panic, but you just got to hold in there, because over a longer period you do gain. I gain more by holding. I don't need to trade, which is stressful when it's watching the market every minute, knowing when to come in and exit. You know, the cost dollar average, when it's low like here, it dips, just buy. When it goes up, don't buy, wait for it to come down a bit. You can even buy when it's higher, long as you just buy a bit. Okay, and if it does dip down, buy then. That's what you call dollar cost averaging. If you start buying when it's high up there, and don't buy when it's low, and then keep buying when it goes up, then you're in trouble. Or if you buy when it's high, okay, and then it dips, and you panic, and you sell, and it goes up again, then you think, oh, I'm going to miss out, and then you buy more. Then it dips, and then you sell, and then it goes up again, you buy more. That's when you're going to lose. That is not going to help you one bit. When it's dipping, buy. When it goes up, you can buy. When it averages out. You see, I hope that makes sense. Low, buy, mostly. If it does rise, you can buy a bit. But then you're not losing. You're breaking even. If you keep buying high and selling more low, then that's when you're going to lose out financially. Okay, that's the way to do it. If we look at the Ethereum prices, okay, put that one into dollars as well. Okay, see it was 1,489 at the start of March. Then it's steadily been increasing. We had a few dips here and there, but then we had a big dip there, and now we're starting to go up again. So Ethereum is another one to watch out for. That's the second biggest cryptocurrency to Bitcoin. A lot of people class this as a sleeping giant because it has a lot of potential, but it's not been doing much recently, but I think it's set to explode. A lot of people are holding very, very good faith for this coin in terms of if it could 10x, which would be fantastic. So I hold a bit of Ethereum, so I'll be quite pleased if it does go up, considering I hold it rather than trade it. So that's one to watch out for. So I hope that's been of help to you. It was a quick video to give you some idea of where we are now with the cryptos, and anyone that may be sitting on the fence, the benefits of investing in crypto. Even now it's rising, okay, it's still a good bargain compared to where it's going to be. We're talking about sort of $55,000 to $60,000 mark for Bitcoin, which still, in my mind, is a bargain, because maybe 2 or 3 months from now it could be 100,000. So these prices now will seem quite low. Okay, so bear that in mind when you're investing. And I would say don't put all your money into it in one go. Just put a bit in each month that you can spare. Then when it does rise, you really reap benefits of it. Okay. So continue subscribing to the channel, please. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and share the videos out to your family and friends, anyone that you know, and social media. That would be fantastic. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.